Who built the Taj Mahal? Answer Shah Jahan. The Nalanda University was founded by Answer Kumar Gupta. The pH of lemon juice is accepted to be answer less than 7. Washing soda is also known as answer sodium carbonate. Baking soda is known as answer sodium bicarbonate. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Answer Bengaluru. In which year Delhi became the capital of India? Answer 1911. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Answer hydrophobia. Which state has the largest wasteland area? Answer Rajasthan. Color of the urine is yellow because of answer